What if the absolute biggest difference between a millionaire and everyone else isn't what you think it is? What if it isn't raw intelligence, or just dumb luck, or being born into family wealth? Actually, what if it isn't even a massive six-figure salary?
Welcome to This Explainer. Today, we're unpacking a really fascinating breakdown of wealth. And here's a wild statistic just to get us rolling. Roughly 80% of millionaires are entirely self-made. 80%! They didn't inherit a dime. So what's the real difference? Well, it isn't some secret Wall Street investment trick. It's actually something self-made millionaires do every single day. They don't rely on random bursts of motivation. They rely on simple, unglamorous habits. We're talking about habits repeated month after month, year after year, until completely ordinary decisions compound to create extraordinary wealth.
Okay, let's dive into This Explainer. Here's our blueprint for today. We're going to start with the income illusion, move on to building the wealth machine, explore the millionaire mindset, discuss protecting your progress, and finally wrap up with the owner identity.
Part 1. The income illusion. Why a bigger paycheck doesn't necessarily equal actual wealth.
You know, most people spend years, sometimes decades, chasing a higher income. But something unexpected often happens with what we call the paycheck mentality. The paycheck grows, sure, but the expenses, they grow even faster. Suddenly, you've got a larger apartment, a much newer SUV, way more subscriptions, more debt, and ultimately just a lot more financial pressure. Your income increases, but your actual wealth stays exactly the same. Contrast that with the wealth mentality. Millionaires understand that income alone doesn't create wealth. Habits do. Every single financial decision you make either moves you one step closer to freedom or pushes you farther away.
Section 2. Building the wealth machine. The actions that actually lay the foundation.
All right, here we have the first two foundational habits self-made millionaires use to build their wealth machine. Habit number 1, they pay themselves first. Literally, before paying credit cards, before hitting the mall, or paying for entertainment, they invest automatically. Every single paycheck has one primary mission: build the future, not just pay today's bills. This takes the emotion right out of it and allows compound growth to start working immediately. Then, habit number 2, they buy cash-flowing assets. See, millionaires don't ask, what should I buy? They ask, what is going to pay me back? They're constantly hunting for businesses, dividend stocks, index funds, rental properties, or even digital products.
So the crucial point is, money should never ever sit idle. Every new asset you acquire basically becomes another worker for your financial freedom. It becomes another income source that just keeps creating income long after the initial purchase is completely done. Wealthy people know that money shouldn't just sit around taking a nap. It should always be out there working around the clock for you.
Section 3. The millionaire mindset. The internal psychology of wealth. Habit number 3 is all about your timeline. Most people obsessively watch the market every single day. They celebrate every tiny gain and completely panic over every little decline. But millionaires, they think in decades, not days. Instead of asking, what's happening this week, they ask, where will I be 20 years from now? When you zoom out to a multi-decade timeline, those small daily market swings just become background noise. Patience literally becomes your greatest advantage. And this brilliantly illustrates exactly how true wealth is measured. I mean, imagine depending on only one paycheck, and then imagine it just suddenly disappears. Terrifying, right? Self-made millionaires rarely rely on one source. Money arrives from multiple directions: salaries, dividends, real estate, royalties, online businesses. That is habit number 5, building multiple income streams. But to build these, you desperately need habit number 4. They never ever stop learning. Even after they become incredibly successful, they're studying markets, new technology, and human behavior. Knowledge compounds exactly like money. The more you learn, the more you earn, which feeds right into creating those diverse, powerful income streams.
Which brings us to habit number 6. They aggressively control their emotions. Listen to this. Fear has destroyed way more wealth than recessions ever have. Your average investor reacts emotionally to those terrifying news headlines. But millionaires, they respond logically. When markets inevitably rise or fall, they remain incredibly disciplined. And it's not because they possess some magic crystal ball to see what happens tomorrow, but because they implicitly trust their system. They know that emotional decisions almost always become incredibly expensive decisions. So to recap this mindset arsenal real quick, think in decades, never stop learning, build multiple income streams, and control your emotions. These 4 habits build incredible discipline, patience, and character. And here's the truly beautiful part. They build these traits long before the wealth actually appears in a bank account.
Because at the end of the day, money usually follows character, not the other way around.
Section 4. Protecting your progress. Building the defensive wall.
Habit number 7 is that they live well below their means. Let's look at this stark comparison because it's an absolute game changer. When income rises, ordinary people immediately upgrade their lifestyle. But millionaires, they upgrade their investments. Every raise, every unexpected bonus becomes just another opportunity to buy more assets. They completely understand the massive difference between merely looking rich and actually becoming wealthy. They know that lifestyle inflation can quietly, almost invisibly, destroy years of hard-won financial progress. Real wealth is built by increasing your investments way faster than your expenses.
Habit number 8 is quite literally to protect their wealth. I mean, building it is important, sure, but keeping it is absolutely essential. They manage risk wisely by preparing way before problems even happen. We're talking building solid emergency funds, heavily diversifying their investments, and avoiding unnecessary toxic debt like the plague. Financial security isn't created by taking bigger and bolder risks, it's created by managing risk so that your wealth can survive absolutely every economic season. They never risk the whole shebang on one single opportunity. And this defensive mindset builds right into habit number 9. They intentionally surround themselves with the right people. This is something money alone literally cannot buy. Your environment completely shapes the way you think, the risks you're willing to take, and the goals you actually believe are possible. Millionaires spend time with people who challenge them and actively encourage long-term thinking. Because success leaves clues, right? And those clues are very often found in casual conversations with people who've already walked the path you hope to follow. So choose your circle carefully, because your future grows to precisely match the expectations of your inner circle.
Section 5. The owner identity. The single habit that connects it all together.
Now, what's really interesting about this slide is the core shift in identity. This brings us to habit number 10. They think like owners, not consumers. Consumers are always asking, okay, what can I buy today? But owners ask, what can I own that will create way more value for tomorrow? To an owner, every single dollar is a tool, a choice. Spend it and it's gone forever. Invest it and it's a powerful tool to essentially buy your ultimate freedom. Becoming a millionaire doesn't actually begin with money, it begins with this exact identity shift. Change the way you think and eventually, for sure, you'll change the way you live.
It ultimately comes down to just one thing. Most people endlessly search for shortcuts, but millionaires build rock-solid systems. It's not about finding one perfect investment. It's not one lucky decision or landing one massive paycheck. The true, absolute secret behind the millionaire advantage is the power of consistency. It is one habit repeated consistently over months and decades. It's thousands of ordinary decisions made with extraordinary discipline. Consistency rarely looks all that exciting in the moment, but man, it creates extraordinary results.
So I want you to do something. Imagine meeting yourself 20 years from today. Your future self is financially secure, calm, healthier, and super confident. If they ask you what decision started it all, the answer definitely won't be winning the lottery. It will be one habit, repeated until discipline literally became freedom. Because your future isn't built one dramatic moment at a time, it's built one ordinary decision at a time. Please, don't let this be just another explainer you consume today and completely forget about tomorrow. I want you to pick just one millionaire habit from everything we covered today and start practicing it this week. So tell me, looking at everything we've discussed, which millionaire habit are you going to start today? Because your future starts right now.